Today we'll be assembling the Beast MVP. Unfold the wagon body and press down firmly in the center to ensure it is fully in place. Connect the two roof racks on either side of the wagon. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, secure them into place with the M4x14 screws. Locate the folding lock and align with the holes on the back of the wagon's frame. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, secure into place using the two M5x30 screws. Note: you'll want to hold the lock nuts in place by hand to ensure the screw properly threads. Pull on the inside handle strap to fold the wagon up. Ensure the folding lock snaps into place so the wagon remains folded securely. Install the rear wheel onto the axle and secure into place by hammering the red hubcap. Repeat for the other wheel. Align the holes of the pull handle to those on the frame. Ensure the pull handle knuckle is in the open position to allow proper alignment. Tighten and secure the handle in place using the two M6x36 bolts. Identify the left and right wheels by matching the label on the wheels to the label on the frame. Ensure the clear plastic washer is affixed to each caster. Assemble the circular spacer to the top of each caster. Insert the wheel into the frame and secure using the clear plastic washer, flat washer, and then an M6x10 bolt. Repeat for the other side. Snap the top wheel covers into place. To unfold the wagon, push down on the folding lock to release and then open the wagon. Press down on the center to ensure it is fully in place. To adjust the handle, press the silver pin and extend the handle until it clicks into position. To raise up the sides, lift up the fabric and loop the G-hook through the side opening of the roof rack. Secure the hook to the slot in the fabric. Repeat for each of the four sides. To lower the sides, remove the G-hooks from the slot and drop down inside the wagon. To fold the wagon, lower the handle with the silver pin. Pull up on the center strap until you hear it click into place. The wagon can be folded with or without the top sides in place. Now you are ready to roll.